Well, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Palkaya players in the penalty box. 4 defenders and the goalkeeper. 9 players in the penalty. One more. And here it comes. Straight into the hands of the goalkeeper. Makes no mistake. The next match is going to be played between Khas and Uttan. Please be ready. Palkaya. Well, there's a player on the ground. Referee lets the game go on. Is still down. And the referee blows the whistle, and that's the end of the first half. I think the player has recovered. That's the end of the first half of the match between Palkaya and Young Labours.
This Art
Music.
Foundation Associate Sponsors Bastion, Valiant Time, Bright Color Artwork, Alex Arena, Instanet, Viva Group, Divine Gold, Unifab Corporation, Companion Cooperative Credit Society, Dream Sets, A-Star Genuine Fuses, Manco iSpace, JC Fabricator, Classic Developer, Jude Agro Farmstay, Society Hotel and Company, Silk Harvest, Under the Sky Disa Farm, Ram Rahim Builders, Vikas Chicken Center, Prince Construction Interior Designing, Sugno Farm, OHS Engineering, EG Enterprise, Grace Oncology, Mendonça Farm Stay, Manikpur Urban Cooperative Credit Society, Sania Enterprises, Joe Enterprises, Vishal Jewelers, We Deliver, Bright Construction, Alvin Gonzalez, Vijay Builders, Rohan Menezes, Jonita Culasso Esperanza Collection, Jesus Art Foundation Associate Sponsors Bastion, Valiant Time, Bright Color Artwork, Alex Arena, Instanet, Viva Group, Divine Gold, Unifab Corporation, Companion Cooperative Credit Society, Dream Sets, A-Star Genuine Fuses, Manco iSpace, JC Fabricator, Classic Developer,
between Uttan and Khas. Both the teams, please be ready. Throw in. That's into the box. Kicked high into the air, and well, there's the whistle. Referee awarding this free kick to Palkaya. It's almost from the half line. Well, into the box and goes over. It's going to be a goal kick for Young Labour. Young Labour is having three players in the half of Palkaya. All the three are heavily marked. Once again, can they make it? Can they stop the ball from going out? No. Palkaya to take the throw-in. Number 8. That was a nice throw. Crossed over. But nobody to take it. The ball goes over the fence. The skirting. And it's going to be a throw for Young Labour. Young Labour once more unable to find the man. They have it on the right, in the center. Nicely tackled by the Palkaya defense, cleared away. Palkaya, number 23. Well, the ball goes out of play. Team Khas, you're requested to come on the podium for a photograph. You all have not taken a photograph in your previous match. Team Khas, please come onto the podium for a photograph. Well, there's a situation here. Can the Young Labours? Well, there's a pass. There is a man. Looks dangerous. Comes on the right. Well, it goes over the goal. No danger. It's going to be a goal kick for the Palkaya. Young Labours looking for their man. They have one on the right. Can he collect it? He has. And the goalkeeper comes running in just in the nick of time. There was a Young Labour player there, number 2. But the goalkeeper was very quick. Number 2 slips. I've been seeing quite some players slipping. Either they are not wearing the right shoes for this ground. Once again, there is a cross, and this can be. Whoa! It was an opportunity so close, right in front of the goal, and he kicks it wide. Well, there's some sort of an appeal, but turned down by the referee. Palkaya on the run. Blocked by the Young Labour. Once again, he gets possession of the ball. Passes it to the right. A shot on the goal, but blocked by the defense of the Young Labour. Ball goes out of play. It's going to be a corner. Corner for Palkaya. That was an opportunity. There is an appeal. Nothing doing. Young Labour. But he loses the ball and the ball goes out of play. It's going to be a throw in for Palkaya. Very good throw. Palkaya. That's a shot. Nicely blocked. Stopped by the goalkeeper. Here we have once again Young Labour on the run. He tried to pass it in the center, but it was blocked. There he is again. Well, it looked dangerous, so the defender thought that it was wise to clear the ball out of play, which he did it. There's going to be a throw in for the Young Labour. That was very close, and well, as you can see, the goalkeeper tried his best to keep the ball. It was totally the fault of the defense, I'll say. And Young Labour takes the lead. That was very, very nice. He was just waiting over there, ready to pounce. The goalkeeper didn't manage to collect the ball, and the ball went straight to the feet of the striker, who made no mistake whatsoever. Just pushed the ball into the goal, and Palkaya now in deep trouble. Palkaya, desperate. The next match is going to be played between Khas and Uttan. Team Khas, please come to the podium for a photograph. Corner to Palkaya. Palkaya really running out of time. Palkaya has equalized. It's a penalty, sorry. and it's going to be a penalty. It just happened that the view to the commentator box was obstructed, and hence we could not make out whether it was a goal. It's, well, that they have missed the opportunity.